Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb DB. In this video, you're going to learn how to pre-sort data on Cassandra Nodes. Let's start by looking at the Docker UI. I have 3 nodes in my cluster right now, Cassandra-1, -2, and -3. Now let's look at the create table syntax. Here I'm creating a property table in my Cassandra_Gokcedb key space. For primary key, I'm setting my property_state column as the partition key and property_apn column as my clustering key. I'm also using the with clustering order by keyword to pre-sort the data by property_apn key in descending order. Next, let's execute this SQL query and insert some data using the insert into statements. Now if I run a query like select star from property table where property_state equal to New Mexico, then all my data should be pre-sorted by the property_apn column in descending order. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.